Alright everybody, guess what? I got a review for you. Today I have the Revell Buick GSX 1970 Buick. Hey, this kit here, I got a lot of good things to say about it. This is a very good kit. It's a 2-in-1 kit. It comes with the stock wheels. It comes with the custom wheels. It comes with the stock hood. It comes with the stock engine. Well, the carburetors and whatnot for the stock engine and the air cleaner. It comes with the decals that are on the original. And it comes with some fancy striping for a hot rodded version. It currently came in yellow and white with the black stripe. As you can see, I did not do that. I painted a very nice Tamiya gray, masked it off where the line would be for the striping, and then a Tamiya white underneath it. Did the custom wheels, custom engine. Let's just circle this around here. Well, the Ford fell over. Let's just circle this around. Let's not have technical difficulties in the middle of the video. How about that, huh? Alright, let's just move this around. So here's the front end. Everything went together really, really well on this car. I have no complaints whatsoever. The suspension went together very well. I did have a little problem on the back here. The back didn't quite, chrome didn't quite fit perfectly along the back. You see it kind of slides down a little bit there. I painted the white on the red tail lenses there. The striping goes across the back spoiler there. Like I said, used the custom wheels. The suspension on the bottom, it's got a race suspension for the back end for the custom. This is all straight out of the box. You see I just did black, silvers, blue on the mufflers because it was a sport do-digger. Like I said, it went together really well. Let's open up the hood here. This is the custom hood. It's got the hole in it. Painted it the whatchamacallit there, the gray. The interior, it's just what color did I paint? That would be one of the Tamiya blacks, I do believe. So yeah, the engine is an orange. Actually, I wanted to do the engine in red, but it kind of came out orangish. But did all the pieces. Do a little black, do a little gold, paint the reservoir tanks white with the black caps. Got that real nice hose that goes in there. It was a little difficult to get in. As you can see, it doesn't quite fit all the way up there because there is no notch to put it over there. It's just kind of a flat surface. So be careful of that, because when I did that, then it kind of wanted to fall out of its notch over there. There's the AC Delco battery, which, as you can see, it says Delco, but I always do my batteries in the Interstate Green. Doggy came to visit us again. Hey, Pooch. Yeah. So, yeah, this is, like I said, all out of the box. It's very, very nice. Interior, I did in an acrylic red. Kind of reminds me a little bit more of an 80s. Okay, dog. No, dog's on my lap. Hey. Hey. Pooch, I'm doing a video. Pooch, I'm doing a video. Can you get down? Stop licking my shirt. Alright, I love you too. Get down. So yeah, the interior is kind of a 80s kind of interior that you would see like on a Buick or an Oldsmobile more likely. But did the gray inserts, the dashboard. If the dog would get off me, I could show you the other side here. Hey, 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 hey! I don't need your boogers on the car. So yeah, just did it all the red. Got the white gauges. It comes with decals for the gauges. I didn't put those on because those were black, so I just painted the white. Did the gray there. There's some belt decals which are very nice. Back seat, I did the same thing. Light's hard to get to. I also then did the floor shine on it, which I've been using, the quick shine floor finish. I had a little problem with it this time here, where it kind of wanted to bubble a little bit. Okay, you're back on me again, dog. Get down. Get down. Thank you. It bubbled a little bit along the edge there, and in the back, I kind of got streaks from the brush there. I don't know. Oh, here you can see the bubbles along here too. I don't know what happened there this time. So it didn't quite great shine as my Impala and my Nova, but it does have a beautiful shine nonetheless. You can actually see it underneath the hood here, the shine here, and then it's not shined. So as you can see, it does have it's shined there. So, oh, I also on the hood cut off the. Because this was a late edition that I did. I cut the little pegs off to go into the hood there. because the hood didn't want to sit right, so if it just sits in there like that, it's fine. Dog's talking to us. Okay, you said hi to the people. Alright, so, quiet. I'm filming a video. So, yes, this is the Buick 70 Buick GSX by Revell. I'm having technical difficulties with my backdrop again. And, like I said, I have nothing but good things to say. And that's your 2 cents. Bye, Mommy. So, that's the Buick GSX. Did a custom paint scheme. Did it with the custom. Oh, the rear wheels are also a little fatter. They give you the set of the 4 regular ones too, so obviously I used the fatter ones. So, that's my review. It's very good. I enjoy it. And there will be a slideshow here at the end. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comments below. Hey, I always try to get back to you guys if you comment, so please comment. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on another build.